Alright guys, just got done to soft washing this polo cage of my client. And see here is no more black mold. It has oxidation though. Yeah, after the black mold gone has yet the grayish color on the beam, and that's oxidized. Not cannot do anything about that because that's the color of the beam is pretty old. Looks good like that over time. So yep, we are about done here, and we did the screen too. Because the screen here before it has very green algae on all the screen around here, this side and behind these trees. Yep, and the color of these leaves in the spine is we didn't do that. It just been like that earlier since we started. So yes, just the leaf that's been getting dried. Look at this, and then all here, all vegetation, all rinse, and all this roof for this gazebo too went clean, looks well. And the gutter over here, because my clients wanted us about to clean that because it has hanging vine in there, so I clean up. So, and this window here and the shower head is cleaner. Yep, we're about done here. That's my friend Armigio's been getting our equipment, and we're out of here. Let us know if you guys need any exterior cleaning, pressure washing, window cleaning, gutter cleaning, especially solar panels. So give us a call, 239-357-9088. That is 357-9088. Alright guys, give us a call if you guys need any service. We'll be happy to accommodate you guys. You guys have a great day. God bless.